Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video of this beautiful brand new 2020 Chevrolet Traverse Premier, powered by the 3.6 liter V6 engine and mated up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Once inside the interior of the very well-equipped Traverse, we do have the power windows, power mirrors, memory seating, power locks, powered trunk right down here as well, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, forward collision warning, cruise control on there as well. Push button ignition, a large 8-inch touchscreen for your nav, audio, and climate controls, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto in there as well. We do have the heated and ventilated seats up front for the driver and passenger. We have the wireless charging pad there, 4x4 dial, lane keep assist, and your traction control. All black interior with the gold stitching. Taking a look at those seats, we have the brand new window sticker as well, heated and ventilated seats.
Nice.
Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Traverse here, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package, Continental all-season tires on there. Chrome on the door handles and window trim. Vehicle is equipped with blind spot detection on your mirrors, keyless entry, as well as remote start. Coming to the rear of the Traverse, we do have your dual chrome exhaust tips, parking sensors, and your trailer tow hitch. You can see the Premier badging and the LED tail lamps. Taking a look at the interior again here, our second row captain's chairs, heated, as well as climate control, USB ports. We do have dual sunroofs, one for up front and one for the rear, and quick fold down seats, giving us access to the third row bench 60/40 split. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video, this beautiful 2020 Chevrolet Premier. If this is your next full-size GM SUV, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.